Students, have you ever wondered why you haven't received a mark on a question you were really confident about?
Let's see one of the example and understand why this happens. This question is from 2020 Biology Paper 1, and the question is asking, during vigorous exercise, underline the keywords. First, the most important part of answering the questions. Underline the keywords. During vigorous exercise, anaerobic respiration occurs in person's body. Explain two effects of anaerobic respiration. 4-mark question. So here's the key. Explain means tell the reason why. First thing, two effects. So effect number 1, effect number 2. So effect 1, let's see what would be the effect of anaerobic respiration. Think. Fatigue, no mark because vague word. Cramp, no mark. Ache, no mark. Pain, no mark. All vague words. So we have to be using a little bit better word in here. So we can say muscle fatigue. That's the mark, okay? Muscle fatigue, or you can say oxygen debt. Oxygen debt. Both of these words will give you a mark for the effect. Now you need to explain the reason why. Reason, please. Why is muscle fatigue happening? So you would say muscle fatigue is caused by the formation of lactic acid. Lactic acid, of course. So that's your second mark. So 1 mark here, 1 mark here. Fact number 2. So because it's a 4-mark question, think about the second effect, guys. Yes. And the second effect you can think of that if you're exercising a lot, obviously you will have increased heart rate. Increased heart rate. That's 1 mark. Or you could say fast breathing. Fast breathing. Yes, of course, you get the mark for that. Now, what is the cause of increased heart rate? Why we are having increased heart rate? So you would say to provide enough oxygen. To provide enough oxygen. But you get no mark for just writing provide enough oxygen, guys. And this is the key here. You will have to write to provide enough oxygen for what? It is for to break down the lactic acid. To break down the lactic acid. Yes, of course. To break down the lactic acid, or you could have said instead of saying this, so you need both. To provide enough oxygen will give you no mark. You must say to break down the lactic acid, or you could have said instead of that, repay the oxygen debt. To repay the oxygen debt. Yeah, I hope this helped you. Please follow me if you want to have more videos like this. Thank you very much, everyone. Thank you.